Hello and welcome to Explore with Aisha. Today we are taking you along with us on a trip to Niagara Falls. Although we have visited the falls many times before, but this journey is special because we are traveling by bus and train. That will give us a chance to fully appreciate the beauty of the surroundings and admire the landscape. We will try our best that you don't miss a single moment of this scenic journey. First, we will provide you an overview of the travel route from Kitchener to Burlington and from Burlington to Niagara Falls via bus and train. So let's begin our journey together. Let's go. We will start our journey from Wilfrid Laurier University, which is at 75 University Avenue West, Waterloo. From there, we will go to Aldershot GO Station. Our bus ride is going to be 1 hour, 15 minutes. From Aldershot GO Station, we will go to Burlington GO, and this is going to be an Uber ride of 10 minutes. From Burlington GO Station, then we will go to Niagara Falls bus terminal, which is going to be 1 hour, 5 minutes bus ride. And of course, Niagara Falls bus terminal is our final location from where we will take a Uber ride to our hotel. हमारी बस आ गई है. It's bus number 17. इसमें हम राइड करते हैं और विल्फ्रेड लॉरियर यूनिवर्सिटी से एल्डरशॉट गो स्टेशन तक जाते हैं. लेट्स गो. जी हम एल्डरशॉट गो स्टेशन पहुंच गए हैं. यहाँ से हमने उबर ली है और अब हम बर्लिंगटन गो स्टेशन जा रहे हैं. हम पहुंच गए हैं बर्लिंगटन गो स्टेशन. बर्लिंगटन गो स्टेशन से हमने अब अपनी बस लेनी है जो कि हमें सीधा नियाग्रा फॉल्स लेके जाएगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अ जर्नी फ्रॉम बर्लिंगटन गो टू नियाग्रा फॉल्स. Once we are at Niagara Falls, we will dwell into the entertainment offerings at Niagara, outlining the various activities, adventure, fun, shopping opportunities, and delicious dining options available. And of course, we will marvel at the magnificent views of the fall themselves. We will also show you the hotel where we'll be staying, so you can get a sense of the accommodation as well. We have reached at Niagara Falls GO Station. Our hotel is a couple of minutes away from this GO station, so we have called for an Uber. While we are waiting, we'll give you an overview of this GO station. As you can see, there are many brochures and flyers and coupons about all the attractions and activities that you can explore at Niagara Falls. So if this is the first time you are at Niagara Falls, we recommend that you take a couple of brochures from here to explore all the activities and entertainment that is offered at Niagara Falls. अच्छा, हमारी ऊबर आ गई है और हम अब ऊबर में अपने होटल की तरफ जा रहे हैं. आपको ये बताती चलूँ, हमारा होटल जो है it is located in Clifton Hill area of Niagara Falls. Clifton Hill, it is a main street running through the area, and it is often referred to be as a street of fun. So once we check in, we'll come out and we'll show you all the activities and all the adventure and fun and food which is available on the street. हम स्टे कर रहे हैं कोर्टयार्ड बाय मैरियट में. हम पहुंच गए हैं अपने होटल, तो चलें चेक इन करते हैं और आपको रूम का एक टूर कराते हैं. We have checked in, and this is the view of the lobby and the front desk. Now we will take you to our room and give you an overview of the room as well. So this is a room. It's spacious, it's neat and clean. There are 2 twin beds here. We have coffee maker, we have TV, a study table, couple of chairs, as well as the snack bar and iron stand. The view from the balcony is also beautiful. जी हम थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करते हैं और उसके बाद फ्रेश होके आपको क्लिफ्टन हिल एरिया का एक टूर कराते हैं. Okay, we are at the Clifton Hill area of Niagara Falls. This street is often referred as Street of Fun, as I told you before. You will find a variety of attractions such as museums, mini golf course, haunted houses, and arcades here. So there are shopping options available here as well. There are souvenir shops and specialty stores selling a range of Niagara Falls themed gifts and other merchandise, which you can take as a souvenir for your friends and family. They're a bit expensive, but you will find a huge variety of gifts which you can present to your loved ones. अच्छा, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फैमिली फ्रेंडली एक्टिविटीज़ भी हैं जिनमें आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं, सच एज मिनी गोल्फ, वैक्स म्यूजियम एंड अदर इंटरैक्टिव एग्जिबिट्स. The Skywheel area where we are right now, it's a short walk from the actual Niagara Falls, making it a very convenient base for exploring the falls and other nearby attractions. This is the main attraction in the area. It offers a spectacular view of both the American and the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, as well as the surrounding landscape. So we recommend that once you are at Niagara, do enjoy the Skywheel ride. Gee, right now we are at the Great Canadian Midway. It's a gaming zone. So there are 300 plus games in 70,000 square feet of play. So it is a state-of-the-art arcade. So अगर आप फैमिली के साथ आएँ, यहाँ बहुत सारी गेम्स एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. इस आर्केड में bowling का एरिया भी है. So if you enjoy bowling, you can have fun with your family and friends. When you enjoy the ride of the Skywheel, you are 175 feet above the falls in climate control comfort for the most spectacular view imaginable. There are many dining options available as well, from fast food to sit-down restaurants, offering a variety of cuisine. You can find pizzas, burgers, Italian, and much more. यहाँ पे halal food का option भी available है. There are a couple of shops which were offering halal food as well. So if you eat halal food, this street won't disappoint you. जी, क्योंकि स्काई व्हील से नियाग्रा फॉल इट्स जस्ट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस, सो वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स नियाग्रा फॉल्स। नियाग्रा फॉल के बारे में आपको बताते चलूँ दैट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेमस नेचुरल अट्रैक्शन इन द वर्ल्ड, known for its stunning beauty and sheer power. The falls are located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. And there are three separate waterfalls that make up Niagara Falls. The Horseshoe Fall, which is also known as Canadian Fall, the American Falls, and the smaller Bridal Veil Fall. अच्छा, हॉर्सशू फॉल, इसको हॉर्सशू फॉल इसलिए कहते हैं कि ये फॉल्स एक शेप बनाती हैं हॉर्सशू की, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नोन एज हॉर्सशू फॉल. And of course, this is the largest and the most famous of the three falls I mentioned before. The view of the Horseshoe Fall is iconic and stunning. In the evenings, the falls are illuminated in different colors, creating a beautiful and mesmerizing view. So, जब स्पेशल इवेंट्स होते हैं, स्पेशली क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर, तो यहाँ पे लाइट शो होता है और नियाग्रा जो है, it looks beautiful. They also sometimes display fireworks over the falls as well. So that view is also iconic. Overall, this area, it is popular spot for the tourists who are looking to enjoy the fun of Niagara Fall in addition to seeing the natural wonder itself. Now, on our way back, we will start our journey from Niagara Fall GO Station and we will take a train ride to Aldershot GO Station. This ride is going to be 1 hour, 20 minutes. From Aldershot GO Station, we will take a bus ride of 1 hour, 40 minutes to Wilfrid Laurier University. हम पहुंच गए हैं नियाग्रा गो स्टेशन. यहाँ से हम अपना ट्रेन का सफ़र शुरू करेंगे. तो चलें आपको ट्रेन का अंदर से थोड़ा सा व्यू दिखाते हैं. This brings us to the end of our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed the trip to Niagara Fall via bus and train. जैसे कि हमने अपने ट्रेन का सफ़र शुरू कर दिया है, तो हम आपको बाहर का व्यू दिखाते हैं. आप भी नेचर को एंजॉय कीजिए, हम भी करते हैं. प्लीज़ फॉलो, शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. Take care of yourself. We'll see you very soon. Till then, bye-bye.